All right, we are here at the Burlington Coat Factory. Oops, sorry. Press the button. Oh, look what we have to ride. Carpeted everything. Push the button to 2.
Slide up.
Second floor is closed.
Actually, look at this.
Yep, press 1 then. It's an Otis.
Wow, they're revamping everything in this building. Even the escalators, it looks like. The escalators are turned off too. Nope, that one's on. The other one's staying.
Yeah.
Let's see if 2 works, because...
It's locked.
Are you sure?
Yeah, press it. Don't hold it down. Yep, it's locked. Press ground. Can you get out into the mall from this floor?
Yeah.
All right.
Go straight ahead. And that's the mall.
It's the mall? All right. Let's listen to the motor going up. Because, yeah, this elevator has a good motor. This is an old Otis.
Check this out.
Yeah. You can stick your hand outside the car.
Yeah. Kind of dangerous, but it's okay.
I hold down the 1 button and see what happens here. Oh, look at that. It's old. This has been upgraded with Adams sometime in probably the early 90s.
To level. Let's try 1.
See, is there a phone in there? Yep. All right, now let's listen to the motor this time. And the door closed does not work. Here we go. Let's listen. That's a nice motor. Montgomery did the upgrade.
Oh, yeah, the sign. I didn't see the sign right there.
Yeah, Montgomery did the upgrade on that elevator. But yeah, look at that. That's an old elevator, old Otis. You can look at the door frame and tell. There it goes.
Is that copper or brass, right?
And that's it. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.